Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with REI BlackBook for seller data sourcing, beginner guide step by step clearly. To register with REI BlackBook, start by visiting their official website. Once there, locate the sign up or get started button on the home page. Click on the button to proceed to the registration page. Fill in the required information, including your name, email address, and company details. Choose a secure password that meets the specified criteria. Repeat the password to confirm it. Review the terms and conditions provided on the page. Check the box to agree to these terms. If applicable, select any additional features or packages you wish to include in your registration. Once all information is entered, click on the Create Account or similar button. You may need to verify your email address. Open your email inbox and look for a verification email from REI BlackBook. Click the verification link in the email to activate your account. Return to the REI BlackBook website and log in using your newly created credentials. After logging in, you will be directed to the dashboard. Explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the available features. Locate the section for seller data sourcing. Follow the on-screen prompts to start the seller data sourcing process. Consider watching tutorial videos or utilizing support resources for additional guidance. Begin using the platform to enhance your real estate investment strategies. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.